Hi, this is Soumya Acharya. I am the author of the Amazon bestseller, The Power of Emotional Healing, and the founder of High Performing Teens. Today, I have an interesting topic to speak to you about, and that is the 3 strategies to get more things done in your life. Now, what exactly are these strategies? Let's deep dive right into it. Majority of us are blaming our circumstances, situations, and the people we meet, right? Most of us are stuck to our past. Majority of us want to achieve a lot of things, but are somehow anchored to our old selves, anchored to our past experiences, circumstances, and situations. Now, if you are a person who is interested to achieve more, to have more efficient life, to have a productive life, to create a world-class craft, you need not go outside. You have to stick on to your inner self. You need to build your internal empire. And there are 3 important things that you really need to work on with respect to your internal empires, internal selves. The first thing that you could do is to let go. As I said earlier, majority of us are stuck to our past. Majority of us feel that we are victims to our situations, circumstances. People hurt us. We have trouble trusting people. We are just cocooned in our shelf. We contract, getting scared that people outside might hurt us, getting scared of taking risks because of the fear of failures, because of particular situation that has occurred to you in the past and because of which you had gone through a particular hurt or pain. You are still stuck onto that anchor and you're not in a position to move towards your future with open arms. You have contracted yourself. You're not expanding because of the situation that you've experienced in the past. So it's time to let go of all such experiences. Right? You can do so many things which would help you to let go of your hurt. Right? We need to understand that if you are hurt by a person or a close family member of yours, you need to understand that they are also at a particular stage in their lives. And they would have also gone through similar situations, not by you, because of you, or because of somebody else. It might be because of somebody else. You never know what they are going through, right? So they are at a particular stage in their lives, and maybe they are hurt as well. So hurt people always hurt people. And that's how the cycle continues. We keep hurting others because of our hurt that is going on inside, and this cycle keeps continuing. Right? So we need to understand that they are at a particular stage in their life and they have done the best based on the state that they are at. So it's better to let go, forgive them, and understand that they have done the best that they could do, and keep moving on, keep forgiving them and moving on in your lives. And that's how you can excel, by letting go. Right? So that's the first strategy that I would respectfully suggest to each one of you here. Now, the second strategy is somewhat correlated to the first strategy, and that is moving on with your life. Now, most of us are either anxious about our future or very worried about our past. Nobody is living in the present. We forget to notice such beautiful, graceful moments in our life because either we are too worried about our future or we are too hurt because of our past. We forget to live in the moment. And we are so anchored because of our past experiences, we forget to move forward with optimism, with hope. Thinking of the fact that there could be something beautiful in the way forward. We just correlate the past experiences and believe that we are going to be experiencing the same things over and over again. And that is definitely not going to be helping you. You have to become a possibilitarian. You need to understand that there could be something amazing that could happen in your life, and that happens with hope, that happens with optimism, that never happens with negativity, right? So the second important strategy is to move on. If you're hurt, everybody gets hurt sometime or the other, but if you're not in a position to heal yourself and move on from that hurtful situation, then you're not doing justice to yourself. You need to learn from that experience and keep learning and keep moving on. And when you keep moving on and you keep doing the things that you're supposed to be doing, you are definitely going to be rewarded for the efforts that you put in. So moving on is the second biggest gift that you could give to yourself, instead of getting stuck in the past and getting anchored to your past or present circumstances or situations. Look forward to the future with optimism and positivity. All right. So the third important strategy is to not wait. Don't wait for the right moment. It might seem very, very simple and very basic, but it is very powerful. It's a very powerful strategy for anyone of you who is wanting to achieve success in your life. You know, most of the time we wait for the perfect moment. We say, if I get this, I will do that. If I get this promotion, I will perform the leadership role. If I get so much of money, I will invest in a property or invest in myself. So it's always with a clause. If there is always an if else clause, right? So we shouldn't, get entangled in these kind of circumstances or excuses. We need to focus on grabbing the opportunity wherever we go and seizing the opportunities that comes our way. If you wait for the right moment, then there are chances that we might miss all the opportunities that comes our way, right? So do not give excuses, do not procrastinate, do not wait. Having said that, I'm not asking you to make foolish decisions which will definitely impact your life in a negative way. Be thoughtful about your decisions, be mindful about the decisions that you take, but do not take too long for making a decision. There is always a saying, right? Make your decisions quickly and delay in changing your decision. So that has to be the strategy always. So don't wait for the perfect moment, make the moment perfect. All right. So I hope these three strategies will give you some great insights with respect to getting more things done in the right way. And I really hope this video has been of some value to you. And in case if you really like the video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and also share with other important people in your life so that they could benefit from this video. All right. So I also have a very special gift for all of you who have watched the video till the end. There is a special resource guide for all of you who wants to understand how to manage your time effectively, right? So if you are a person who is struggling to manage your time effectively and in an efficient way, you can click on the link below in the description and download a free copy of yourself, wherein I describe some great strategies to improve your time management strategies. All right. And I'm sure if you are a teenager, this will come in handy as well for you too. So do not forget to download the free copy for yourself. And what's more, so if you still want to get connected with me and stay in touch with me, there is a private Facebook group wherein I keep sharing more such insights on productivity, performance, personality and impact. So if you want to know more about these topics, stay in touch with me by joining the private Facebook group below. The links are again in the description below. All right. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay connected and see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.